Hi guys, good morning guys. Welcome back to another day in the life of a female forex trader living in Nigeria. Come have some salt and water with me, okay? So guys, this morning, and I'm not going to be forecasting this morning because we have CPI today, and I have work by 1:30 today, and I have a meeting with Sajek Cap FX. I don't know how true that could be, but I was scheduled for a meeting with, so like the first time I tried, I think it's the timing, I wasn't accepted. Then when I now used a different time, then I was now accepted for the meeting that was scheduled. So hopefully if the meeting is something that will happen, that's around, this was the email I got after I signed up for it. That was the email I got. So that's by 8:30 today, and by 1:30 I'm going for my work today. I got a new job, and regarding the job, I have not should I say worked it to know the timing yet, and why I'm not actually taking any trade currently is because I'm already in a trade. It's holding this trade since yesterday to take another trade. So you guys can see, like I've been holding this trade since yesterday morning. Yes, yesterday morning. This $dollar long. Price already approaching take profit. This from our analysis from which day. So I'm not going to be forecasting today because the market is not looking so. It's not going to be because I have plenty news. Let's just check. And this is my forecast. This is where I enter the trade from. As you can see, already hitting take profit. We'll have the analysis here. Shows the analysis. So here's the analysis. I was looking for price to come at this BPR, and I entered with my normal continuation trading plan. Yes, as you can see, I entered with my normal continuation trading plan to take profits here. I posted this trade as well on my Instagram, so you guys can as well check it out. So we're going to be hitting take profits anytime from now. I'm going to be just this morning. So we are here to take profits early in the morning before we even go to job or anything. It's nice. It's nice, and you guys should not mind my small lot size. You guys should not mind my small lot size. But could you know that he had at the moment? You get, but one thing I know is that what matters the most is, should I say, the skill set, because the money comes as a byproduct. You get. The skill set is what matters. Regarding the job I got, and regarding the three things I told you guys I was going to do to get myself funded, my account, I'm going to be giving you guys updates on it. The one that is paying me, and the one that is not paying me, or the one that has already started paying me yet. So that will be in another video. So I'm going to be, should I say, going along with my other things I need to do for today, and yeah, I'm going to be feeding you guys back. Let me show you guys the trade. This trade, I posted it. I should just hit take profits already. I should just hit take profits already. If you hit take profits, as you can see how many times price actually came back to this entry point. Thank God I was sleeping then, because I don't know if I would have touched it, if I would have touched the trade. But yeah. So it's been nice. I actually took, like, this trading plan is something that, you know, now that I have a job, I need to follow my trading plan strictly to the core again, because that determines if my probability is going to be working or not. So okay, see you guys in the other. So back from the markets right now, and I want to go get this. And I reduced a lot. I want to go get this, and things are just outrageously expensive. Like, that's even an English word. But I'm resuming work today end. I want to go get work. Why is that? I'm going to try. And I just perceive how I'm really running late. So I'm just trying to get ready as soon as possible. I just really like this. but we just have to, okay? Just have to keep on trying and finding a way out of every obstacle, okay? We're not gonna be complaining, sitting down, but we're gonna be looking for opportunities. And I just hope that this new job is gonna help me create the proper psychology and mindset, and also put me in check, right? Because while I was actually buying this stuff I bought, do you know what came to my mind? Things are quite expensive, but the life we're chasing right now is the life that when we are buying something, we'll not be checking the tag. But before we get that, we have to be working without looking at the time, okay? Just have to be working without looking at the time, so we get to that level of buying stuff without checking the tag. It's crazy how life throws shit at you, but you're just gonna keep on receiving it and be showing like that. You gotta keep on throwing shit at me, but this girl right here is not gonna back down. I ain't gonna back down. I was born a warrior. So we're gonna do a little bit touch up. How do we look? Outfit check. Trouser from Holy Ghost. White from Holy Ghost. Shoe from Nike. Socks from Adidas. And watch Rolex. Watch from a bulky side, okay? So this is the outfit, and I'm done for today. So my laptop is gonna be here. I'm gonna miss it, but let's just go. I think we're late already. Bye. So in as much, let me be honest here, in as much as alright, let's just be very honest. In as much as I hate this, yeah, because it's everything from past and regarding what people are gonna say, but why should I even care what people are gonna say? They're not gonna help me with my psychology. They're not gonna help me put money in my account. So if your talk is not gonna help me grow, so why should I give a shit about what you're saying? I shouldn't give a shit, okay? Because I've never seen anybody grow from the shame or hating on themselves. You just have to be a go-getter, but always have your mind in the things you're pursuing. And in as much as the place I'm going to be working, like, it's just simply like, you just feel like it's just out there, like everybody can literally just see me anywhere they come to. So what's that side? But just gonna go. Oh god, I don't know, but I'm just putting it in God's hands, and I'm gonna be ending this video here. And yeah, you guys should just stay cool, stay safe, and join the journey while we grind, fighting. Okay, say what it like. Oh, everything's gonna be alright.